In this video, I will show you how to fix lag in League of Legends Swarm. A slow or unstable internet connection is one of the main causes of lag. Run a speed test to check your internet speed. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a bit more stable connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or use a 5 GHz network instead of 2.4 GHz. If it doesn't help, close background applications. Unnecessary app consumes system resources and bandwidth. To free up performance, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button to open Task Manager. Navigate to the Process tab. Right click on unnecessary programs and select End Task. If it also doesn't help, lowering in-game graphics can help reduce lag. Open League of Legends Swarm and go to Settings. Under Video tab, adjust the following settings. Lower graphics settings to medium or low. Turn off unnecessary effects like shadows, anti-aliasing, and VSync. Set frame rate cap to 60 FPS or lower if needed. Apply changes and restart the game. Now see whether the issue still persists. If it is still going on, I will highly recommend you to update GPU driver and network driver. Outdated drivers can cause lag and performance issues. Press Windows plus X button and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and right-click on your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Also update your network adapter driver in the same way. If it also doesn't help, configuring network settings can improve stability. Right-click on the network icon. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Then click on Change Adapter Options. Then click on your active connection. Select Properties. Choose IPv4. Click Properties. Use Google's DNS server. For preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. For alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK and restart your internet connection. If it also doesn't help, try to use a gaming VPN. If lag is caused by high ping, try using a gaming VPN. Choose a VPN optimized for gaming. Connect to a server geographically closer to the game's server. Launch the game and check for improvement. And that's it. These steps should help you fix lag in League of Legends Swarm. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.